Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher, and today I'm going to tell you what a drip campaign is. We're going to talk about drip marketing, so stay tuned. So what is a drip campaign? So I have an image here from engagebay.com, and I was hoping that this would help illustrate what a drip campaign is. Essentially, you will send an initial letter. Maybe somebody subscribes to your email list, you have an autoresponder, you're using a tool, and basically somebody will enter their email, get your ebook, or they want your ebook, or your 7 steps to success, something like that, something that's a lead magnet that is desirable and that is going to help them with whatever they're doing. So what they do is they get that email to their inbox. Now, if they open that email, what's going to happen is on your email system, you can do what's called tagging. So you can say, yes, this person opened this email, so they're likely to be interested in that. Sure, there's the case where people go through their emails just to get the notifications out of the way and they open each email. But now with a lot of technology, you can just mark things as read or delete them. You can bet on that people are more interested in your emails if they are opening them, especially if they're clicking on the links, because that shows that they're engaging with the content inside the emails. What you can do is you can use a tool like this to start with a letter, and let's say they open it, then you send them your ebook. And if they open that, then maybe you give them a product demo, because now you've taken them down this customer journey that's more natural. You've built their trust, you've gained their interest, and now you can finally start showing them an offer. Let's say they don't open it though. So what might happen is you send them a video, maybe you try to explain what it is, because maybe they don't understand it or care why, you have this product. What would happen is if they don't open that email with the video, then maybe that's the end of the drip. It's no longer going to drip all the way down. It's no longer going to email them because they're not really interested in that. You can still keep them on your email list, but maybe you don't spam them with that information. And you could do this with multiple layers. In my autoresponder, I'll check, if somebody took my lead magnet, which is top 10 podcasts to help you grow your business fast. And if they click on the link to go to that, then maybe they like podcasts. So then I tag them and then I say, okay, these people are interested in podcasts and they want to learn. And maybe I'll have an entire campaign or a list or follow-up. These are different names for some of the segmentation lists. And basically, it's going to drip down into that level. So now that they opened it, I'm going to send them all these emails related to education and podcasting, and it just trickles down from there. It becomes this huge web of contact. If they do open a video in this case, maybe you send them the ebook. Let's say they open the letter but they don't open the ebook, then you give them their video. So you want to try different mediums. Some people don't like reading. Some people like watching video. Some people want an emotional experience, and some people want an emotional experience, and some others want a logical rationale. So let's say you're selling some email marketing automation tool. Well, you could start with maybe a logical reasoning, like this will speed up your, communication with your customers, and it will help you automate it, will save you time and help you get more leads. And then they're like, I don't really need that. Then what you can do is you can create another video or another medium. It doesn't have to be a video. It can be an animation, it can be an illustration, it can be a written copy. Whatever you think is going to be engaging, something different, something to split test. And what you would do is if they don't click on that or don't open it, you could send them another email, and it might say something like, isn't it hard to go in and send a bunch of emails every day? You're so tired. You're tired of not getting clients. You send these emails that take a long time. You can't track your email lists. You don't know what people are interested in. It is just a mess. And if you wrote some copy like that, you're starting to appeal to some of the pain points of people who don't use an email marketing tool. You could be selling a lawnmower, right? Are you tired of having your grass grow too tall and people complain about it? Guess what? You can get the lawnmower. So it doesn't really matter what the product is. It just matters that you're taking multiple angles, you're having multiple touch points, and you're segmenting based on their response to your content. You can do the same with ads. You can do the same with a lot of different things. But a drip campaign specifically is implemented through messaging. That messaging might be through email marketing. It might be a chat bot. It might be a direct response type of thing where you put out a survey, or maybe you go on Facebook, you friend some people, or Instagram, you DM somebody, you're having a conversation, you send them something, they don't like it or they don't care about it, you do something else, you try a different thing, and you just got to keep trying things. It's not about, how much work goes into it. It's more about like what is the split testing going to offer you value-wise? How can you serve the customer? How can you understand the data? It's all about analytics and delivering on the analytics. So some of the platforms that you can implement drip campaigns, if you use like a chatbot platform, there's ManyChat and there's Facebook Messenger. You can do ad campaigns through that, and then you can facilitate a chatbot and a conversation and do audiences based on that data. There's also tons of marketing automation platforms like Hubspot, Marketo, Pardot, Drip. You know, there's so many different services out there that will help you figure out the data behind your customers and to figure out, you know, what they want and how you can serve them best. And so why would you run a drip campaign? So we've already talked about this a little bit, but essentially you're trying to get your message in front of people. Maybe you like Subway, or maybe you like a restaurant that's really popular and they have tons of commercials online. You wouldn't buy from that brand if you didn't see them often, if they didn't run commercials and target you with different messaging. So every company you've ever bought something from, you know, it's either been a word of mouth thing that you've heard it a couple times, or you've seen an ad for it a couple times. Even your favorite TV show. Like if there's an ad for a movie or a TV show and you're like, wow, that looks awesome. And then you forget about it because you go back to whatever you were doing. And then you see it again, and you're like, oh man, I forgot about that. Then the third time, you're like, I gotta go see that. Then like the seventh time, you're there. You're in the theater. You're in, you know, your living room. You're turning into that channel. And that is the power of remarketing. You know, it's not like this brainwashing thing. It's a legitimate way to build rapport. It's like dating, you know, if you only go on one date and then you try to marry the person, it's not enough time to get to know them. Or even friends. If you see somebody one time, you want to hang out and have a barbecue the next day, it's like, it's kind of fast, right? I don't know you. I don't know if I can trust you. It's all about building trust, building rapport, and actually having a relationship. Marketing's all about relationships. So do you want to run your first drip campaign and get more customers? Well, I'm going to help you do that today. I have a great tool that you can use to help you understand the data behind your emails, manage your emails, send them out, segment them, and create a drip campaign super easily. And it's very affordable. The product's called Aweber. Aweber is an autoresponder service. It allows you to create drip campaigns, tag different audiences that engage with certain emails, put them in lists, and then have automation take care of the rest for you. If you want to use Aweber to help you get more customers and generate more sales, then I'm going to put a link in the description below. I'm going to outline it with Aweber, and I want you to click on that link and get started with your first drip campaign. It's going to help you get a lot more sales. It's going to help you succeed with your business. So that's all I got today on drip campaigns. If you really liked this video and you thought it was helpful, click the like button. If you want more content on email marketing, I would love to make more content about that. Say yes in the comments below. And subscribe if you really like this content. I'm going to be creating content each and every day. So I want to serve you guys. I want to help you understand how to get your business from 0 to 100 real quick. And I want to help you get more customers and help out more people to create a better world. Thank you so much for listening. Peace out. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.